Working hard to make people happy is our first priority. Sharing the praise when someone takes the time to appreciate our efforts is a luxury. Here's what one person had to say. And as much as we know how much effort we put into giving everyone a first-class experience, hearing about them firsthand pushes us to do better. It means so much to us that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you too. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you. Have a great day!